Who do I tell this secret that to someone you have to say it? We support causes like AIDS, to prevent AIDS, so cancer. And the same thing is happening to us, but it's not a disease. It's a systematic way of keeping us oppressed. I hope you will take the same initiative and stand up.